Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to create and use a Walmart retailer URL. Think of it as a search find and buy specifically designed for Walmart, which will help you rank your product, simulating an organic search. With that being said, let's create one. Now the first thing that we will do is give a name to our link. This time we're going with coffee machine. In the configuration section, you will have to add the specific brand of your product. Keep in mind that this field is case sensitive, so we recommend you copy and paste it from Walmart, just like I'm doing right now. Next, you will enter the keyword you would like to rank. In my case, I'm going with coffee maker. And finally, you can enter a price minimum and price maximum for your product. Now, since my product is $23.33, I'm going to add a price minimum of $22 and a price maximum of $24. This part, the price minimum and price maximum, is completely optional. In the next section, you can add a tracking code, add your link to one of your campaigns. You can toggle on or off these options, and you can select a custom domain if you have one available. Additionally, you can activate the link expiration settings for when your link expires and add the information and picture for your social media thumbnail. Once everything in your link is done, simply click on Generate Tracking Link, and here we have our Walmart retailer URL. Remember that you can edit the back half of the link so it can mention your product or brand, download a QR code for your link, and edit the settings if you want to change something. Now, when we click the link, you can see that the filters have been added to our link and have been applied for the brand, price, and keyword. And that should do it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.